Going live. Welcome to the show to this afternoon. And we got another show tonight. We got the real fire coming tonight, but we're bringing fire right now too. So welcome, Davis. Let's rock and roll. Now, you guys, I didn't know, you know why we're here today. We're here to piss off some people. I'm just gonna throw it right there. We're here to piss off some people. I've been getting some calls. Coach Ashley stopped the property tax foreclosure, lien with her property tax package that she got. And we had some other people contact me yesterday. I'm hoping to get some other video reviews coming in pretty soon. One coach jammed up the arbitration situation and made them settle. It's nice when you have the power because you put in the time. You put in the time to treat your mind to make sure that you have the power. Mm-hmm. Let's go. We still have a few spots left in the training that's going on tonight. And Mr. Shepard and Kendrick, I still have to send you guys out the link. Now, what we got now is it used to be called the Student Hub for the foreclosure training. We turned that into the Workshop Information Center. So, and you have to have a code to get in it. Now, I emailed the code out to everybody except Mr. Shepard and Kendrick. I just remembered that I need to send that to you guys. So now after this live stream, then I'll put the code in for what we're going to be doing tonight at 8 o'clock. I can't set that up and still use the software to do stuff. So I'm going to wait till last minute. But the way we got it set up now, the resources that are offered for now, I'm just going to remember off the top of my head, were for the attendees that invested the $199, in addition to having the opportunity to go over the document that I'm going to post right now, which is the new firepower. Objecting to the judge's interference in the proper way that we're supposed to do it in their crap to crush their. I might get a little worked up before we. Oh wait, we ain't 2 minutes in. I'm pretty excited about this. Oh, I'm real excited about this. So let's go. Dismissed objection is a 2-document set, and it's right now I'm giving it away for $40. Both of them together are one set. I know, I'm crazy. I got rent to pay, electricity, whatever. I'm showing off, and I expect to get some video reviews from the people who invest in this $40 firebomb. I would like a video review or how they look when you take this down there. Punch them in the face with it. Now, I'm eating black grapes, so if my teeth look like those people that do stuff, it's not. It's oh my, they're really good too. Mm-hmm. I share one with one person. That's the best I can do. Okay, so now we have opportunity to order the judge around on whatever level we're just going to talk about the state level because that's where we've been having the most challenging situation getting under control. This document allows us okay, so what we've been doing wrong, or we're learning how to do correctly, is challenge the substantive due process violations, which are what they did to you. We're learning how to preserve the procedural violation, which is what is the mistakes the court did. We've been kind of addressing them both in the same, but not addressing the procedural violations the way we need to preserve them for later. Basically, objecting to what you need to object to, and that's what. Oh, could it be that simple? The program is jacked up, but we learn how to chop it up. Chop. That's what somebody sent me a message this morning. Chop. We can do some chopping. Throat chopping. You can chop on a on a pressure point. And that's what you should do. See, that's how you do it when you want to have fun and enjoy yourself. You chop that pressure point. I don't care how big dude is, okay? You chop that, or kick, jam, elbow, that you get that one pressure point. And it's gonna slow them down. Oh, then you get a second pressure point. Oh, if you get the pressure point on the left side and dude turns to that side, then you just switch over and be southpaw, turn to the other side. Jab, get it. No, 2 pressure points. And now it's time for a leg sweep, just to take him down to the ground without touching him. Because we ain't trying to do that grappling stuff. That's, we just do a leg sweep, take him on down to the ground. We ain't in a hurry. I ain't in a hurry. Because getting in a hurry means that you're going to go ahead and go through there. No, we ain't in a hurry. It's like that. We're holding our breath. But at the same time, we're punching them in the face. Okay, so now we have this package here that we have for $40 is structured to object to the judge's interference. And then there's another document that's used for your substantive due process violations. Procedural due process violations, substantive due process violations. We've been getting jacked because we've been pleading them both together. That allows them to claim that we're unhappy with their judgment because we lost, and we're well, we kind of are, but we haven't. So we're learning how to get that separated, so that we're. And you guys know how we roll around here. Fraudulent concealment tolls the statute of limitations, and everything that they are doing to do done. We're gonna make some new words. Come on, let's go. Is fraudulently concealed, pretty much. So statute of limitations toll. What's that mean, Coach? That means that if the judge jacked with you last year before last, or the year before that, or 7 years before, those 2 years before the year before the second year came, whatever passed. I think you get the point, right? Because people always got questions about it. No. Statute of limitations tolled. Toll means I guess that's white people language for stopped. Okay, it's stopped. The statute of limitations stopped. They can't rely on that. They can't rely on that anyway because of the way that we do the beatdown when we're whooping their ass. So they can't rely on that anyway. Okay, but you know, I like it when they got nothing. Yeah, we filed the well, excuse me. Well, I guess I did too because I sent it in to him. Henry Jones, we stopped his eviction process or whatever here several months back. And yeah, so the RICO eviction process, once that was sent to them, and then of course, I emailed it in to them from Procedural Lawsuit Center, and then while Henry was there, and I don't usually do things like this, but Henry was in some trouble, and he paid for it to bring him. Okay, so to bring him back. So we stepped up. He did his part, and well, his wife was doing her part. Then she passed away, and then he was doing his part, but he couldn't get the emails off of the phone. I told Henry, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you. That's what we should tell our kids. And then they say, but Dad, I'm not laughing. Yeah, I'm surprised they let me hang around my grandkids. But anyway, you know, gotta be some fun when people ain't freaking out all the time, because nobody has time for that. Okay, when you're freaking out and you're allowing fear to run the program, you ain't getting shit done. Now, I'm gonna tell you that you ain't getting a damn thing done when you let the fear run the program. You're not getting anything done. And when you contact me in that state, it's not going to work out too well, because I don't want to talk to anybody that's in that state. I don't, because those people have not done the homework. And in my opinion, if you're in that state, and I'm just going to go here because that's how I roll. People don't like it. I don't care. I'm going to tell you exactly, and I expect you to do the same thing, but I'm trying to disrespect a little. So I'm going to calm down. No, okay, seriously. When you're in that state, you're not hearing anything anybody said. You're in that state. All you hear is all the things that you've been learned throughout your life about the legal system, most of which was taught to you by attorneys, firm, corporations who work with the attorneys, blah, 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 blah. And it's all bullshit. Okay, so there you go. Now, I'm going to try and keep it real. Fear in my head could possibly be something that I would ascertain, consider, or think about when I'm trying to do something. Forgot my ass kicked a whole bunch of times the last time. That fear, I guess, and because I don't roll like that, so I'm just guessing, that fear would have value if I was going to be doing the same shit I was doing before when I got my ass kicked. Okay? If I'm not doing the same thing, what I'm doing makes sense. Other people have left positive videos, review videos in the review video playlist, still in their houses and still out of jail or whatever. You know, I don't know. The fear is not making sense to me. Okay, so at some point, where are you with the fear? No. We're going here. At some point, where are you with the fear? Okay, where are you with the fear? You know, on 1 to 10, with 10 being jumping off the edge of the cliff on your own without any, but whatever, just where you at with the fear? You don't think they have fear? Well, they don't when you ain't doing nothing. But you can listen to, Oh, when Jesse went down there, he'd already filed his RICO before he went down there. Yeah, they let him out. Then they called him. Yeah, after we got there, I had to email him. We did some. They let him out. And then they called him the next day or text him or something because he wanted to come back, get an ankle monitor. Oh, and Jesse called me. I'm like, what'd you tell him? He's like, Coach, I'm still laughing. Okay, they rushed him the hell out of there. The prosecutor got pissed because we added her ass to the lawsuit, to his lawsuit, and we add her personal information. And it turns out Miss Julia Keck was an intern. Okay, excuse me. The website for the prosecutor's office said her ass was an intern. So there, I'll say that. The website said her ass was an intern, not a prosecutor. Interns get to do this many things, and prosecutors get to do this many. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's still, and so once we add her to the case because she's the one that started it or whatever. It turned out she didn't even have any legal authority to be messing with the. Okay, and then she freaks out and put out a temporary restraining order. Jesse called me laughing. Saying she didn't put a restraining order out on me. Yeah, Coach, she did on both of us. I said we couldn't email her. I said, shit, I'm emailing her ass right now. Oh, yeah, and I did about 3 times. You might want to send me my restraining order, Missy, because you ain't got no jurisdiction way the hell over here. You can't restrain me from doing a damn thing, but you can send it to me if you want to. I'm thinking that you got enough problems right now is what I'm thinking. Because you got this man locked up. You arrested him because your officer said he gave him a fake identity, and therefore he was a fugitive from that point forward. Is the words you put in. Oh, but y'all ass knew who he was because he had some other crappy cases on him. Y'all trying to give him a hard time about and trying to make him go take mental evaluations and all that stupid shit because he ain't kissing nobody's ass. Oh. I know that path. I've been down that. Yeah, that's why I'm helping because this is a lot of fun. So he's out now, out of jail, and we got it, Jesse. We got to make some changes to your filing so they can't do what they've been doing to a lot of stuff. And what we're selling right here today are the documents changed, ready to object. And file and get your substantive claim filed separate in the right way so they can't hide behind their procedural due process crap. Okay. They've been using that to hide behind the They just hiding everything because we haven't been clear enough. But, we learning. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah. So my picture AI machine came out with this thumbnail, but we had to clean it up because the first one he had the White House in the background. It was on fire, and there was people running out. Oh. we got to clean that up a little bit. So this is just a short description of it for, this package is for procedural filings for dismissed case, objecting to improper dismissals, preserving the record, and seeking recusal. Well, you're also bringing forth your substantive claim in addition to the recusal. This package is designed for cases that have been terminated without the proper authority, and it focuses on enforcing procedural requirements, documenting judicial indifference, and pursuing substantive due process claims. So I need to shorten that up. Basically, what we're learning how to do is separate the 42 USC, the due process. It's the substantive part, the substance, what they actually. We need to separate that from the procedural due process, what the court actually did to screw you over, because the two are totally different. And by the time the court is involved, you've already been violated. So when your stuff gets dismissed, that's not the end of it. And that's what we're going to be talking about in the workshop tonight that we got going on. And we still have a few spots open for it. So if you're interested, you might want to call me before 5 or 6 o'clock, because after that, I won't be taking any phone calls, because I'll be getting ready to rock and roll. And I'm going to showcase this package. There's just 2 documents. Well, there's a couple other things in there, but you guys already, I think if I remember correct, I put the diplomatic immunity document in there to teach you how to fill out your passport so that you remove yourself from their statutory jurisdiction. And this is the workshop. My website. Oh, case dismissed, next move workshop. Yeah, in this workshop, we're gonna go over what I just had pulled up there, the other document. Now, this is going to be perfect for coaches, anybody that had the judge in your face being, case dismissed, next move workshop. Got dismissed because we were arguing the 2 things together and they're playing stupid. That's pretty much. No hearing, no brief. Sua sponte when judge just comes in and dismisses it without even allowing them to answer or respond. Well, they can't. They can't respond to what we bring to the table anyway, because because we use statutes and codes and you know what? The judge can't respond to that shit either. Huh. Oh. Oh, the judge cannot respond to it either. Not unless he has a federal bar card. Oh, they're not going to like that. See how it is? Roll without limitations, keeping that shit simple. Okay, because I ain't smart as them. I ain't trying to run around and do. I just like to keep it simple. Learn how to preserve the substantive violations until they get done with their procedural crap. Then you sue them for both. Oh, there's another workshop. Okay, so we're about to have a bunch of workshops. If you want to, if there's a workshop that you're interested in, call me. Call me and let me know, and I'll just keep. I have a list. Who knows? You might be the last one we need to get that workshop scheduled so we can roll. And if not, and we have enough people, we might just do the workshop with just a couple of people. So I ain't. So you call me and let me know if you're interested in the workshop. Now, right up here, we got that donation button. You guys can donate if you got anything extra, and now you're looking pretty good. Just a 5 million or 1 million. Anything that you can donate would be much appreciated. It help us. We dropped our prices at the end of October through November, and we struggle through December. And we're helping more people, so that's the plan. Now, those review videos help other people see the fire we're bringing to the table, and help this drop the price stuff, keep the shit low enough for people that we want. The poor ass people like myself are the ones I'm trying to help. Okay, one day I was saying that at my ex-wife, like, oh my, I got really big until I said like myself. Then she was, yeah, like myself. Okay, y'all ass just like me, except, well, the government said that I was, well, they said a lot of stuff about me. They said I was mentally ill and stuff. Anyway, so yeah, so if the judge objected, you guys should get that package right now and have some fun with it. Because at the end of the month, it's going to go back up to where it should be right now. It's on sale right now for $40. That's like one trip to the dispensary. Okay, maybe. Okay, we'll say two liquor store. Well, no, that's not to the library. Okay, never mind. Yeah, $40. Just a couple of trips to the coffee place or the bar for drinks. Okay, we're just gonna keep it real. The library. That's what we're gonna go with. Thank you guys for the value of sharing your time. We're getting ready for the training tonight. And here's a link for that in case there's anybody interested. Okay, we got to go get ready because we got a big match coming up. And if there are any bar members out there that are listening and would like to come and explain to all of the people why what I'm saying don't make any sense, just give me a ring or send me an email or something. Coach Neighbors, 913-240-0227. Give me a call. Thank you, Davis and Daniel. We got to go get ready for the big time fire coming up tonight. If you guys are interested in the fire that we got coming up tonight, give me a call, and we'll see if we can figure out something to get you guys in. Appreciate you showing up today.